Kimmy, can you tell me what the R stands for in the RAP strategy? Read, right. So first we're going to read our passage. Good. Bonnie, what does A stand for? Do you remember?
Ask questions.
Yeah, you ask questions. So while you're reading your passage or your short paragraphs, you're going to ask yourself questions. Things like who your main character is, what's going on, what's happening, what's this mostly about? And then P. What's P mean, Logan?
Put in your own words.
Put it in your own words. So we're going to write down our main idea and our details on our papers that we have here. And then after we have the main idea and details, we're going to, on this piece of paper, put it in our own words. Okay? Alright, so let's begin. We're going to read this passage together. What's this passage called, Talon?
Animal studies.
Yeah, animal studies. Good. Logan, would you read the first paragraph for us?
Animals are wonderful if you look closely at how they live. You will find many surprises. It is hard to look closely at insects because they are very small, plus many of them fly away when you come near. But if you have a choice to
A chant.
a chance to watch them, you will discover how they live. Watching animals ain't a job that sentences scientists do called making observations. They have learned a lot about animals.
Good, nice job. Thank you. Alright guys, so what do you guys think this paragraph's mostly about, Talon?
Actually how animals and bugs live, probably. Because
Okay.
it tells about it all over this paragraph.
Okay. Anybody else have any other ideas? Kimmy?
It talks about animals and crazy things. When you get closer, they'll fly away.
Okay. So what do you guys think would be a good sentence that we could use for our main idea, what it's mostly about?
Animals and bugs.
Animals and bugs?
Yeah, it talks about it.
About insects?
Yeah,
Insects?
because bugs aren't insects. They are what we just call them insects.
Okay. Bonnie, what do you think?
I think it's about insects and stuff.
Okay.
We all said that. It's funny how we all got the same answer.
Alright, well go ahead and write you guys a main idea, what you guys think it's mostly about, and then pick out 2 details from that paragraph to put as your 2 details. It's going to support that idea of why you think that's what it's mostly about.
Can you just write insects?
Well, is insects a sentence?
Like right here.
And does that tell you what it's mostly about? Think of what it's mostly about and write 1 sentence about what it's mostly about, and then pick out 2 sentences or 2 details that you can use as your 2 details that support that main idea.
So, main idea is about insects.
Is it only insects?
No. Animals.
Animals, okay. I like how you're using a complete sentence saying the main idea. That's good. It's a good way to start. Okay. Now pick you 2 details from this paragraph that support this idea. They have to support what you put.
Detail 1.
Okay.
This one for detail, animals can be lots of fun. Do you not know?
Did it mention anything about animals being lots of fun?
When you get closer and when you get there, and many of them can fly away when you come near. Can you talk about that?
You could. Mm-hmm.
So detail 1 is when you, okay, I'll do that.
Good. Okay, now you need 2 details to support that. to pick one detail that supports the idea that this is about insects and animals. You could say, like, can you was saying how animals, insects fly away when you get near? That supports stuff.
It's on
It's in your passage, sweetie.
Oh, that personal line that you just read out?
Yeah.
Okay, so we have our main idea. Our main idea is that scientists study insects. And we need one supporting detail, so we're going to call this a detail. This is our main idea. Detail, are you writing there?
Insects have tools they use to survive.
Yeah, that's very good. Insects use tools to survive. What's another detail? Because we need two. What's another detail in that paragraph?
They studied an insect called the sawfly.
Okay. Does it tell us anything about the sawfly or?
No, it says that they only studied the sawfly.
Okay. So we could say scientists study